Hello, Escambia County Public School teachers. I'm Lori.
And I'm Diane.
And we are part of the Student Data Team.
We're here to show you some fun features you can use in the Focus Gradebook. So, let's get started. First, we're going to add colors to categories. From the Focus Portal homepage, go to the side menu and choose Gradebook. I am in my ELA course and I've already set up my weighted categories with assignments. To add color to a category, choose the Category tab at the top. My first category is Reading. I'm going to choose the Edit. And when that does, you're going to get a pop-up window, and over on the right you will see the word Color. You will click on that, choose your color, click Save. And I want to save this color to appear for all 4 quarters, so I'm going to say check all and then save again. You now have a color associated with the reading category. You will repeat that process for all categories in the course. So now if you choose the All tab at the top and scroll over, you can see the categories now have different colors. So now that we have added color to our categories, let's add assignment images. Choose the category, choose the assignment, click on the pencil icon. You can select from an existing system image or upload an image. I'm going to upload an image, so I'm going to say choose a file or drag it here. I have these saved on my desktop, so I'm going to choose Reading. I'm going to click Open. And when I do, I'm going to go up to the top. Now the image is inserted and I'm going to choose Save. So now when you choose an assignment within a category, you will have icons. Category colors and assignment icons will improve user experience by making it easier to find and select assignments, leading to clearer navigation and a more efficient workflow.
Now let's take a look at how you can make your grade colors pop out in a more fun and personalized way. When you're in your gradebook, in the top right corner, select the Settings cogwheel. Notice the tabs at the bottom of that box: View Options, Configuration, Groups, and Grade Colors. Select the Grade Colors tab. Here you will find all of the grades possible for your gradebook. You can pick whatever colors make sense to you when looking at your gradebook at a glance. For example, you might make the A's all green. You might make the B's all blue, the C's pink, the D's purple, and you might even make the F and the ABU red to call attention to a red flag. Some of the other colors can be plugged in for odd items in the gradebook, such as excused for the EX or M for makeup. Now when you look at your gradebook, those grades take on new meaning. How great to see a lot of green if that stands for A's. And for a final fun feature, we'd like to share with you the little profile icon located in the column by the student name. When you click on this icon, a pop-up will appear that has a direct link to students' demographics, enrollment, schedule, requests, grades, absences, and other information. This is a quick and convenient way to get to the student's information while using the gradebook.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our other videos. Also, please fill out our content request form so we can keep making those videos that are just for you, because this is a Byte of Tech.